Welcome, listeners. This is the one about vision boards, positive affirmations, and believing. So in life, we want certain things out of life. Everyone wants something, whether they want just peace, peacefulness, they want to be left alone, that's still wanting something. They want friends, that's still wanting something. They want success. Whatever it is you want, if you don't grab it, if you don't do anything to try to get there, it doesn't just come normally. If you don't attract it, normally life just happens, and sometimes you get lucky and sometimes you don't. Why leave it to luck when you can push your consciousness on the universe and try to make things happen naturally, the universe way, which is create vision boards, do positive affirmations. So let's see what a vision board is. A vision board is nothing more than reminding your subconscious mind what it is you want out of life. Let's say you want a bigger home. You don't have to have the exact home pictured there. All you do is have a picture of the type of style of home, whether it's a ranch house style or colonial or whatever the type of home you want, whatever your dream home is, you put it there. If you want to be on the ocean, have a picture of the ocean, a home on the ocean. If you want a ranch with horses, have a picture of a ranch with horses. Whatever your dream would be, ideally in life, if you had achieved the success you have, then you have that up there. The car you want to drive doesn't have to be a Lamborghini. It can be anything you want. But whatever your dream car is, dream big. Have something in there. Go visit car dealerships. Try to develop an interest in something you like in a car. If cars aren't your thing, whatever it is, a clothing design. If you take a clothing designer, go to any department store, buy something with any credit card, leave the tag on, try it on, or take it on, or don't buy it in the changing room, try it on, and take a picture of yourself with the clothing on. Create your vision board. Now you have a picture of you in awesome clothing. Everybody should know what they look like in clothing of their dreams. Now, let's say you have no clothing desires. You don't care what you wear. Well, that could be unfortunate because clothing is wonderful. Dressing up in fancy stuff. I love Robert Graham shirts, but whatever it is that you fancy, try it on. Even if you didn't think you like it, go to a store, try on something really special and see how you look. And you'll see how your eyes light up. But let's say clothing isn't your thing. No problem. Go to your friendly jewelry store. Tell them you're not going to buy anything, but tell them that you just like to take a picture to see what you look like on certain kinds of jewelry to get an idea of what you might buy in the future. They would love that. They don't care. The chance that you'll come back is enough for them to let you take pictures. Put the jewelry on, take the pictures, and the most glamorous, expensive jewelry, just to see what you look like, just to see what it would be like if that was your life. Now, it's not important to have material things necessarily. Having a good life, having good, wonderful children, having a wonderful spouse, those are more important than anything. But we're talking about dreams here. We're talking about dreaming. We're talking about having other things that might make you happy. And maybe they don't make you happy. Maybe having a pet makes you happy. So whatever your favorite pet is, take a picture of that pet and have that pet on your vision board. Any dream can be on that vision board. If you want to speak in front of people, your goal is to be a public speaker. Have someone take a picture with you holding a microphone in your hand. You as a public speaker, wearing whatever clothes and jewelry you had taken before. And then put it on your vision board. Now your mind will see you're a public speaker. Why not? Anything you dream of. If you want a mate in your life, a good person in your life, then it takes a little more than vision to get there. Yes, vision is important, but you have to know what you're looking for. So if it's something like that, something personal in your life, you have to understand yourself and what you bring to the table. Why would someone want to choose you? Know your strengths, know your weaknesses. Once you understand yourself, you know who you can attract, what you're capable of attracting. And another person will see in you those qualities that you see in yourself. Because if you don't see them in yourself, I guarantee you it's hard for someone else to see. They have to look really hard to see those qualities. So realize your worth, your value. And then do positive affirmations. Coupled with a vision board of the things that you can see that you want in your life, then positive affirmations can help you get there. What is a positive affirmation? Okay. My mother, who was a psychologist for over 30 years and wrote several books, Begin to Live, How to Grow Younger as You Get Older, taught me a lot of things. And she corrected in the early years, I would write, I will be this, I will be that, I can do this. No, she said, that's not a positive affirmation. Positive affirmation is, I am doing this, I am doing that. People appreciate me, people see my value. I am attracting a good person to my life. I am attracting someone special to my life. Everything that you say, your brain hears, but you're unconscious. We have a conscious mind and we have an unconscious mind. Your unconscious mind, train it to hear these thoughts. Put these thoughts on your mirror in the bathroom. Put it on your refrigerator. And say these things every day. As silly as it sounds, there is a law of attraction, like in the book, The Secret. You attract what you think about. You attract what you say. You attract what you believe in your life. So a positive affirmation is, if you're looking for a job or a better job, or if you're looking to be of value to your company, I am a value to my company. My company sees my worth. I am contributing greatly to my team if you're working with a team at work. Tell these positive things to your brain, and your brain will produce what you're saying because it just trains it to do that, to work harder, to make the extra effort, to concentrate more. That's what we're talking about. To be better at work, to get an improvement in your job, you have to concentrate, be better, do it faster, ask for more work. That's what sets you apart from other people. So when you're saying these positive affirmations, you're training your subconscious, your unconscious mind, to deliver the extra effort, the extra mile, when your conscious mind just wants to go get a drink after work. You want to go home. You want to sleep. But your unconscious will say, no, I've got to do this because I believe that I am of value to my company. I believe my company is seeing my worth. I believe I am worthy of the raise. Tell yourself this so that you'll believe it. If you're looking for someone in your life, I am worthy of a mate. I am capable of making someone truly happy. I am a valuable human being. I'm a kind human being. I'm a loving human being, a caring human being. I am this. I am that. Tell yourself you are. Whether you are or not, your unconscious will produce it. It's natural. You'll become the person you want to become. Write your affirmations. Put them on the mirror in the bathroom. Put them on your refrigerator. Say them every day when you wake up and say them every day when you go to sleep. It will happen for you. It's happened for thousands of people that have used the law of attraction to their benefit, that have got ahead. I use it in my life. I have used it many times in my life when I felt that I wanted to go somewhere, I wasn't going fast enough, I wanted to get somewhere. I've trained thousands of people in sales training. I taught goals, purpose, desire, self-image, creative imagination, and we'll do that in another podcast. And I wanted to make sure that my words were heard. I wanted to make sure that I could change someone's life. And so I did positive affirmations so that my unconscious would know that my words were reaching people, that it had value, that I could change someone's life. So you do this for you and change your life. I am succeeding in my job. I am making more sales than I've made before. All of my customers see the value in what I'm presenting them. All of that is the way to do a positive affirmation. Not I will do this, not I can do this. I am doing this. In the affirmative positive, I am doing this. Now, I know there was a story that I used to tell. Maybe it's appropriate here. There was a time, long, long ago, there was an old man. The old man was walking through a forest. His doctor said it was helpful to walk. He had bent over when he bent over arches when he's walking. His back was crooked. He had arthritis. He just felt terrible, but he knew that he had to exercise, so he got out and he walked. And when he was walking, he got lost. And he saw upon a clearing something that looked like a town. He didn't know what it was. And he decided to walk towards it. So he walked towards it, and he saw a sign that said, "The village of anything is possible." He said, "What is this? This is not something real. What is this?" And someone came out to greet him. Said, "Welcome to the village of anything is possible." And he said, "What is this village of anything is possible? What does it mean?" He said, "In this village, anything that you want is possible to achieve if you believe it. Your health, life, the food you eat, anything that you've ever dreamed of, relationships, is all possible if you believe it. That's why it's called the Village of Anything is Possible. It's a magical village. Come see. So he walked in. He was invited in. He walked in. As soon as he walked in, he started to stand up a little straighter. His back didn't creak as much. He didn't ache as much. His arthritis didn't hurt as much. He seemed to be feeling better just because the belief system was there a little bit that this man was putting in him. And he saw people happy. He saw people interacting with merchants and businesses and singing and dancing. And he said, this is a happy place. People are happy here. I don't see anyone arguing. I don't see anybody fighting. People are helping each other across the street. People are doing things that they don't do in my town. And he said, well, tell me more. What do I have to do? He said, you don't have to do anything, but you're welcome to go to classes. We have classes on helping you become the best you can be. And anything is here for you to go try. We'll teach you any skill you want to know. So he did that. He went to classes and he said, wow, this is amazing. And he felt healthier. Within a few days, he was absolutely on his feet, healthy, and felt young again. In fact, his wrinkles had disappeared. He actually looked more youthful in the mirror. He was amazed at his change, and he was enjoying his life. And a week went by. And after a week, something in his old unconscious said to him, this can't be true. Nothing like this exists. It's impossible for me to believe and then something is true. And so he started to feel he's in the wrong place because it just can't be right. And he started to walk out of there. He thanked everybody. As he walked out, his back started to arch again. His wrinkles came back. He started to creak again when he walked. They did tell him how to get back home, how to get out of the forest. He was grateful for that. But he looked back and he could never see the village again. He looked back and it was gone. His opportunity had left. His chance to be taken seriously, his chance to be loved and cared about, his chance to be treated somewhat special and have everything he ever dreamed of had left because his unconscious couldn't believe it was true. Never said affirmations, never believed it. But now he was back to his old life. And his comment, he said, I knew it wasn't real. That was his comment. Don't feel that the possibilities aren't real in your life. Don't feel that you have to go nowhere, that things are so bleak, that there's no answer. Believe that the universe will bring people in your lives to make your life better, to change your life, and to bring new things and opportunities into your path. Take that path, write the affirmations. I am doing better. I am doing the right work. I am affecting people. My work is appreciated. I'm making a difference. Anything that you can put down that applies to your situation will make a difference in your life. And when you can make a difference in someone else's life, it just enhances your life. Just remember that anything is possible if you choose to believe. But you need ammunition. So listen to some more of my podcasts on goal setting and purpose and desire coming up in the future, or read some books. Read How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, most wonderful book. Read Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. I've mentioned that before. Another book, Magic Key to Riches. Anything by Zig Ziglar, see you at the top. But there's many more books by many people. Brian Tracy, if you're in the sales field, is one. If you like Tony Roma, there's Tony Robbins. If you have a particular motivator that you like, listen to his work. Listen to audiobooks. You don't have to read if you don't want to read. Listen to an audiobook. All these motivators are out there for you to grab. They're online. They're on YouTube. Free. You don't have to buy it. You don't have to pay anything. Listen to a motivator when you're on your way to work. Just know that if you don't do anything in your life now, 5 years from now, what is your life going to be like? No different. If you don't make any changes now, what makes you think anything will change in 5 years? Take control of your life. Take control of everything that happens to you. Believe. Do your vision board. Do your affirmations. Put them where you're supposed to, on your refrigerator and your mirror. Say them every night and every morning. Believe in the village of anything is possible. Your life is the village. Your friends around you can be the village if you surround yourself with positive thinking support people. You must have support people in your life. Read books. Look at motivators online. Try to listen. absorb, take notes. Be the best you can be. And if you want to wake up in the morning with a smile, and you don't have anything to wake up to, go to my Instagram, Boca CEO, no space, BOCA CEO. On there, I don't post anything except I'll put the podcast on there eventually, some teasers to link you to where you can see the videos, not just listen to them. But I have pictures of beautiful sunrises and sunsets and pictures of Europe, 300 or so pictures that'll just make your day ever so more pleasant. If you can't find it from anywhere else, please feel free to get it from my Instagram. Have a wonderful day. I will see you next time, and I'll see you at the top.